Hi everyone, so I am back with another little quick video. I've got a few little quick videos to do, selling these as a bundle now. I've sold the other ones and these were the last two in the shop, so I'm putting them together. They're not going to be individual, you'll get two of them. I will put a link in the description box below to the listing. On the listing there is the full video that you can watch whilst you're still on the listing, because I think that's great about the coffee shop. You don't actually have to leave the listing, you can watch the video on there. That's why I'm doing these short videos, just to direct you over there. So these are altered envelopes with lots of coffee dyed stamped ephemera pieces that you can use within your journal, or you know, whatever you want to do with them, entirely up to you. You can stitch around them, you can ink, you could add them onto tags, you could do so much with them. So the link will be below to the listing with the video on there. So as a bundle, the price will be on there as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.